Hi, I'm Mark Michelson, Editor-in-Chief of Printing Impressions. We're here at the inaugural Printing United, and we're at the expansive Ricoh USA booth. We have Gavin Jordan-Smith, and I know you had a press conference today with some really exciting announcements.
Oh yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, these types of events allow us to communicate out not only to a greater audience, but also to our customers, our alliance partners, and a number of other constituencies through that value chain. In fact, one of the interesting data points for us at Ricoh is, how do we grow our business? How do we get our customers to expand their business? And I talked about a true data point in the last 6 months where 46% of our business today is going through net new. And in a zero-sum and zero-game market, that's pretty darn impressive. And that may be a testament to why we're here in terms of driving a value proposition that I believe is meaningful and tangible to our customers, which is one of the reasons why we're here with Avanti, one of our best kept secrets and technology that is driving some of that, because it's more than just print. And we're also here, we're joined with Kevin as one of our leading voices of the customers to actually be able to talk about that some of the stuff. So I want to thank everyone for being here. So Kevin, so tell us, Patrick.
Yeah, since we've joined the Ricoh team, it's been great. We've partnered with Ricoh to sign a number of really fantastic deals. Companies like Communicorp, just south of Atlanta, Sol Graphics, state of Oregon. So we've really worked well with the Ricoh team to understand the customer's requirements and fit those requirements with Slingshot, with Avanti Slingshot.
It turns out to be more than just print today. I mean, you'll see this around this booth. We're like, take a look at Ricoh. I mean, we're sitting in the center of solutions and ecosystems where we're surrounded by conversations that talk about more than just the hardware that you can see outside the peripherals, but more about the solutions and services and professional services we deliver. And Avanti is one of those secret components that we're placing very successfully inside customers today. And Kevin, I mean, your story is somewhat incredible as well in terms of your experience. How did that work for you working with Avanti?
It's been great. The fact of I've had Avanti for just over 15 years, but I've just done the implementation with Slingshot in the last 16 months, and no question, Avanti's willingness to build and to suit our needs. The communication doors are always open. World-class company, world-class piece of software. At this point here in time, and now that I've been live in 6 weeks, we have felt like we've hardly skipped a beat.
That's fantastic.
I mean, we're running. The company, and we've utilized probably about 80% of the software. So that's not, like it takes two teams. It's the Avanti team and our team.
Right.
And Avanti's team was with us the entire stretch. But the software itself, world class.
That's fantastic. I mean, when we're deploying software and technology, right, Patrick? It's more than just here's the software. Let me teach you how to use it. The onboarding scenario of a complicated MIS system can be simplified, but it's a journey, right? It's a journey, Kevin, with the customer to allow us to partner together to look at some of the nuances and the changing in their business. I mean, I can only assume, Kevin, your business has changed over the last 15 years, as most.
Oh, much so. Well, like I say, it's all about software now. But the workflow automation, so what's there for us to use is incredible.
Yeah.
Like we've really come of age for the software for our industry.
Right.
There's no question in my mind about that. I mean, I was there 32 years ago when Avanti was DOS.
Yes.
So I've had my business for 30 years, but so I've seen the DOS version, I've seen the classic, right now the Slingshot. But it's all about automation, productivity, and the utilization of the software in order to achieve better ROI. I mean, and then simply right now, I'm glad I made the decision what I did when I did it. Certainly, yeah, things have changed.
Oh, that's fantastic, and we're thrilled to be part of that journey, right, Patrick?
Absolutely. And Kevin's been a great long-term customer. When we first set out to develop Slingshot, Kevin was part of the strategic partner program, and we brought a group of strategic partners together. We had one question: what does your business look like 5 to 10 years from now? And that's how we developed Avanti Slingshot. And it's great to see Kevin as one of the key companies that have transitioned from the Avanti Classic product to Slingshot. So gives us a great vote of confidence.
Maybe I can add to that, Mark, too. I know that the more of us who are engaged with the software and the MIS, right from when you the decision to be made to through the implementation after it'll go live, the better the software is getting. And that's one thing about Avanti. They're listening to us. And so Pat mentioned Communicorp a few minutes ago. What they did and how they and the things that they've added to the software has been absolutely incredible. So because there's a lot of integration, and it's a new world.
Right.
So here we are today. I don't mind saying, doing really well.
And it really becomes a partnershship. I mean,
Oh,
when it's all said and
absolutely.
done.
Yeah, but it's more than just Avanti and my company. It's all the other companies as well. It's their people. It's the ownership group part of, whoever's the key or the champion that is going to take it on. Everybody's going to contribute, and the software just gets better and better. Yep. And Avanti's it's great that they're so open to that. They're listening.
Oh, thank you. So Mark, right back at you, mate.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time today, gentlemen. It's always great to hear a happy customer.
You're very welcome.